10 rules to rebuild your life in 2026. Point 1. Change one small habit daily. The first step to transforming yourself in 2026 is to focus on micro habits instead of massive shifts. If you spend just 15 minutes a day learning a new skill, you will be 100 times ahead of everyone else by the end of the year. Point 2. Turn your phone into an income source. Change your screen time. In 2026, learn future-proof skills like digital marketing, content automation, or trading. Instead of mindlessly scrolling through reels and shorts, use your phone to smash a solid daily financial target. 3. Work in absolute silence. Always keep your plans a secret. When you start something new, people will try to discourage you. In 2026, let your work do the talking, not your mouth. Grind in silence and let your success make the noise. 4. Set a daily financial target. Making money isn't enough. You must learn to manage it. Set a strict daily or monthly financial goal for yourself. When you have a solid target in mind, your focus will naturally shift away from useless distractions. 5. Drop past fears and regrets. Let go of what's left behind. If a dream faded or you had to alter your path, stop stressing over it. 2026 is a brand new year, a fresh chapter, and the perfect time for a clean start. 6. Execute a dopamine detox. Protect your brain from cheap dopamine. Scrolling through meaningless videos for hours is destroying your ability to focus. In 2026, stop using social media just to consume content and start using it to create content and generate wealth. 7. Master emotional control. Stop reacting to every little thing. When you can't control your emotions, you become easy to manipulate. In 2026, become so calm and disciplined that no insults or external noise can break your focus from your goals. 8. Prioritize health and physical strength. Successful mind requires a powerful body. If you stay lazy and lethargic all day, you will never hit your financial targets. In 2026, fix your diet, allocate time for a workout, and keep yourself physically sharp. 9. Master the art of saying no. Learn to say no to any person or activity that wastes your time. Stop hanging out with directionless friends, oversleeping, or getting dragged into petty arguments. Your time is currency. Spend it only on your growth. 10. Consistency over motivation. Stop waiting for motivation and start relying on consistency. Motivation gets you started on day one, but consistency gets the job done. Whether you feel like it or not, if you set a target, show up and finish it.